This is Scott with JSA Foundation and Masonry Repair Specialists over here in Ackworth, Georgia. October 10th, 10th or 11th? 11th. What's up, Fletch? So what we're going to do is, on this 11th day of October, is we're going to jack this brick veneer wall up. The whole front wall is settled down. There's a gap underneath that window ledge, and it's cracked all the way over there on the front. We've got a series of piers driven down to bedrock. And what we want to do is drive this baby back up. So we'll watch this crack and see if it closes up. Okay, Josh, fire that machine up over there. All right, here we go. That one's going right there. Wall's coming up over there. Hey Josh, cut that jack cylinder on over there. Alright, cut it back off. There you go. Now cut this one off right here. Okay. Cut off. Other way. Other way. There you go. Alright, let's press this and let's see what happens. There it comes. Okay, Josh, cut that one back on, please.
This one back on?
Off. Going up great, y'all. Cut it on, Josh. Cut it off. There it is, fellas. Back to the window ledge. All the gaps are closed up. We'll do the necessary tuck pointing. We got that brick underneath the molding. And then what we'll do is we'll patch all these cracks. Just wanted to show how we lift a brick veneer wall, some 2 inches. I'll do a final video later on. Another quality job done by JSA.